Hey y'all, I'm so excited. We have a new jewelry brand that I found, and this one's amazing because it has a lifetime guarantee, which we love around here. Any brand that puts a lifetime guarantee behind their products is a brand that truly believes in what they sell, and if anything happens, they'll replace or repair, no charge. The brand is called Sterling Forever, and I got a couple pieces to share and try with you guys. So first is this gorgeous like snake chain necklace. It is so pretty. I love her. A snake chain is always so trendy and in, and they're great for layering as well if you're like me and you love more and more. Next we have the gold hoop earrings and then some little stackable layering rings. These earrings here are so good. I wore these last week when I was in California, and I like how the back of them, they have two separate backs to it, so it is very secure on your ear, and I am very sensitive ears. Like problems to where if I wear earrings for multiple hours at a time, I like have to take them out. And these are perfect. Not only is it like the perfect hoop as far as like size goes, thickness, but they don't irritate my ears, and they also like stay in place. Like some hoops are too hollow to where they just like flop around your ears too much. This does not do that. And they also aren't too heavy to where they hurt your ears. There is a very strict in between. Look at how Gorgina. And then these rings are really cute. They have different sizes. So here's what they look like stacked together. I'll show you guys. So they have like this little almost like rope looking one, and then this one is just like plain gold, but I like how this one has more curve on one side and it's more flat on the other. Makes it more comfortable, but once again, can be worn separately, can also be worn together. You can put them on different fingers if you'll wish. Like, they're really cute. And then the necklace, I did forget to say this, but it is lead and nickel free, which is very good. I get, once again, super sensitive skin, so if I have stuff that has certain metals in it, I actually will get like a reaction. Right here is what the necklace looks like on. Once again, just that perfect dainty gold chain. It can be layered, can be worn on its own. It's just very simple and basic. If you are into jewelry or if you're starting a jewelry collection, this is a great piece to add because it goes with anything, but it's also a great starting point because you can do this with like a little charm necklace. You can do it with like a little pendant. It is perfection. I'm loving these pieces and I know you guys will as well, so love y'all.